Welcome to Reapercussion Garage. Join Jeff and myself as we install the C8 rear spoiler wicker extensions. The extensions can be installed with simple hand tools. The wicker extensions are made by the Extreme online store. So follow along as the Reapercussion Garage and Tucker's Chop Shop install the C8 rear spoiler wicker extensions.
Alright, we're going to install these winglets on this Z51 wing. This is from the Extreme online store, and we'll see how it fits. Looks like it goes in there nice and snug, no rocking. And if you want to clamp down on it, we'll put our first little hole in it. That's one.
Drilling holes in a $100,000 car.
Yeah, that's so much fun. And my wife's in the house hiding.
Yeah, this is really her car.
So, if you want to grab the rivets, and I'll hold her in place and see if we can get the rivets in. Commercial time.
I couldn't edit that out. You can take time out of them. Put the end one in first.
Is it tight?
Yep. Might have to ream that out a little bit, Jim.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Might want to ream it just a little. Of course, we'll edit that part out.
I leave it in there.
I thought we might run into that.
Maybe that.
See how your thing goes in there. Really? Oh, it hits. Oh, well, you gotta have this.
You gotta have that in there.
Should I just go ahead and drill them off? Or we think that's gonna be too big?
I don't know. You wanna put one in there and tighten it and see how it does, and then we'll.
All right, let's do it. She line up?
Yep, I got that going. Install the pop rivet.
Still hard to get in there?
I don't know if it moved or what. It's kind of slid this way. There you go. Put that one tight.
It's tight.
Let's make sure that the hole just wasn't off a little bit. If it was going in there.
to hit it, ain't we?
Is that bit fit through the plastic there? Yeah. Okay.
Just gonna barely punch through it. I'm gonna let you go ahead and put that one in.
That thing's pretty tough, ain't it?
Yeah.
Slide you right back there.
Sitting through it now.
It's on there.
You wanna film the difference? Why we still got a tiny bit of light?
Yeah. This
Especially step back here, you see how much it changed it.
you can see how much this changes the look of the back end of the
car.
23 HTC Corvette. So now we'll put the second one on.
Get that on there?
Yep. Neighbors gonna love you.
That was 4.5.
Alright. Stand over in front of it so we can get you on camera.
Alright, so these came from the online Corvette store. And they're Wickers or Wickets, whatever you call
Wickers.
them.
Yep.
And this is installed. It took me me and Mike here about 20 minutes to do on the first one, and it probably took us 2 minutes on the second one. But once you figure out how it goes in, it's a nice, easy install, and it really picks up the back end of the car.
It looks really good.
Yeah, I'm very well pleased with it.
There's nothing like drilling holes in a $110,000 Corvette.
Well, those were little holes.
Yeah.
We're gonna drill a great big one right there.
Yeah, to put the engine window in. That's gonna be interesting.
That'll be a good one. It's gonna be a little bit more than 20 minutes.
Yeah, that's good.